leaving today.
Leaving today. We've been cleaning and organizing and packing. Now we're gonna go and make one more teas run, of course. The last day we have to do it. It'll take about an hour and a half to 2 out of our schedule, but this has to be done. And then, yeah, we fly out in a bit.
Okay, see you place. Bye. It's been fun.
It's been decent times.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. Doors are closing. I already know it.
Packed, ready to go.
Packed and ready to go. Just
6.
suddenly dark outside.
Yep.
Home time. I'm pretty excited actually.
Yay.
Pretty tired.
Very tired.
It's been a good trip, but you know.
Yep. That's what it's like to be first on the flight. All this leg room. Go all the leg room.
We are back.
Hey.
Yay, this is so surreal. We've been there for so long.
Yep. We never come back in the daytime either.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the playlist for more Japan videos.